Might be a good one to hang on to, Blaze. All right, hockey. Box break. Memorabilia number 37. Oh, Blaze is in there. Blaze is in there. Number 1, 2, 3 on the top box. 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. Birthday was May 17th, Cov. Bottom box. Next hockey break will be from box 37. This one's going to be box 08. Good luck to everybody. Oh, is it really? That's awesome. Nice old school Detroit, Norm Ullman. I love the old school, man. Norm Ullman for DET. Go old guys. Oh, Covenanters? Yeah, I just turned 39. No, just joking. Oh, I can't believe I'm the 5-0. I can't say the word. Reservation, one item will be made in your name, Marty Brodeur. Goalie mask. I believe this is full size too, because I have it in the with all the redemptions. I think this sucker's full size. And then next up, we got Erik Karlsson for the Sharks, baby. Is that a pro or is it Fanatics? Oh, nice. It is. It's an authentic pro black. Authentic pro black William Karlsson. Sick. What a beauty. Get the air out of the bag. There we go. Loveliness. Loveliness. Good box. Awesome box. All right, let me go grab the helmet. I love that box. That's awesome. Fanatic certification right there. Marty Brodeur. And that is, of course, the beautiful Fanatics certification. And a sick Erik Karlsson as well. All right, let's see who has the Sharks. Anybody want to sell this Sharks back, I'll take it. Brad H. had Sharks in 36 and 37. If you ever want to sell it back, Brad, I'll buy it back. If not, no worries. Because we really need a jersey refill. And Devils for the Marty mask. And the Devils going to I Eat Beef. Holy smokes, bro. What the heck? Scotty Too Hottie with the Marty Brodeur. Then we got Red Wings. Okay, Trav DET on the hit parade. Blaze Canucks. Blaze spot 1. And the classic Detroit 8x10 going to Tex Hockey Cards. Classic Wings for the Tex.